डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्लास 9th की साइंस की बुक है NCERT की, और इसका फर्स्ट चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर को यहाँ पर अपन सॉल्व करेंगे और डिस्कस करेंगे। चैप्टर 1 है मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स। ओके, ऑन पेज 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर मैटर्स? chair, air, love, smell, hat, almonds, thought, cold drink, smell of perfume. Solution is any things which have some weight and occupy space will come under category of matter. Chair, air, smell, almonds, cold drink and smell of perfume, all are matter. Question 2, give reasons for the following observations. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell from cold food, you have to go close. Solutions: evaporation is directly proportional to temperature, means hot food evaporate easily. Diffusion of hot food vapor with air becomes very fast and can reach to a distant place within a very short time. Question number 3, a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation shows? Answer. Solutions: the phenomena of cutting the water by the diver show that matter has space between its particles. Question 4, what are the characteristics of the particles of matter? Solutions: characteristics of particles of matter are given below. 1, particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. 3rd, particles of matter have an attraction force between them. 4th, particles of matter are very small in size. On page 6, question 1, the mass per unit volume of substance is called density, means density equal to mass upon volume. Arrange the following in order of increasing density: air, exhaust from chimney, honey, water, chalk, cotton and iron. Solutions: we can solve these questions by keeping this concept in mind. The correct order of density for gas, liquid and solid are gas less than liquid less than solid. Thus, air exhausts from chimney, that is gas, which is less than, of water, honey, that is liquid, which is less than, of cotton, chalk and iron, that is solid. Shows the increasing order of density. Question 2. A. Tabulate the difference in the characteristics of the states of matter. B. Comment upon the following: rigidity, compressibility, fluidity, filling gas container, shape, kinetic energy and density. Solutions: A. Solid. Solids have a definite volume. Solids do not tend to flow. Solids are rigid. Generally, solids have a definite shape with very few expansions like sponge, rubber, bands, etc. Solids are generally incompressible with very few exceptions like sponge, rubber, band, etc. Liquid. Liquids also have a definite volume. Liquids also have a definite volume. Liquids tend to flow. Liquids are not rigid. Liquids do not have definite shape. They take the shape of the container. Liquids are almost incompressible. Gases do not have a definite volume. Their volume varies with the container in which they are stored or kept. Gases also tend to flow. Gases are not rigid. Gases do not have a definite shape. Gases are compressible. Answer of question B. Rigidity. Rigidity, property by which an object retains its shape and size, it's called as rigidity. Solids are rigid, whereas liquids and gases are not. Second, compressibility. Compressibility is the property due to which a substance can be compressed, means its volume can be decreased. Gases are compressible, whereas solids and liquids are not. Third, fluidity. Following tendency of a substance called fluidity. Gases and liquids are fluids. Solids are not. Fourth, filling a gas container. A large volume of gas can be filled in a gas container by compressing it under very high pressure. Filling a gas container. A large volume of gas can be filled in a gas container by compressing it under very high pressure. The property of compressibility of gases is useful in this case. Shape. The property of having a definite geometry is called shape of a particular substance. Solids have a definite shape, whereas gases and liquids do not have. Kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a moving object or by the moving molecules of called kinetic energy. On increasing the temperature, kinetic energy of a substance or its molecule also increases. Molecules of gases possess the highest kinetic energy. Density. The mass per unit volume of substance is called density. Density equal to mass upon volume. Question 3. Give regions A. A gas fills completely the vessels in which it is kept. B. A gas exerts pressure on the walls of the container. C. A wooden table should be called a solid. C. Point D. We can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. Solutions. A. Force of attraction between the molecules of gases is neglected. So, molecules of gases occupy the maximum space available to them. High kinetic energy possessed by their molecules also helps for the same. Answer of question B. The motion of particles is random and having very high speed in the gaseous state. Due to this random movement, the particles hit each other and also the walls of the container. The pressure exerted by the gas is due to this force exerted by these particles per unit area on the walls of the container. C. There is a strong force of attraction between the molecules of wood and the intermolecular space is the least. So, a wooden table has a definite shape and volume and it should be called a solid. Answer of question D. Air molecules are very far from each other due to negligible force of the attraction working between them. So, our hand gets sufficient space to move in air, and we also displace some air molecules by applying force. But a solid block of wood has closely packed molecules, so there is no question of the movement of hand through it in absence of suitable force in proper direction. Question 4. Liquids generally have lower density as compared to solids, but you must have observed that ice floats on water. Find out why. Solutions. Liquids have lower density than that of solid. Water is also a liquid, so it should also have less density than that of a solid, that is ice. But the case is not so, and the reason for the same is the cage-like structures of ice, that is presence of vacant spaces between water H2 molecules when they linked in ice. The number of these spaces is compressibility less in water being more porous than water ice. Ice is lighter than water and floats on the surface of water. On page 9, question 1. Convert the following temperature to Celsius scale. A 300 Kelvin, B 573 Kelvin. Solutions. By the use of given formula, we can convert the Kelvin temperature to Celsius. Tk minus 273 is equal to T degree centigrade. A 300 Kelvin minus 273 equal to 27 degree centigrade. B 573 Kelvin minus 273 equals to 300 degree centigrade. Question 2. What is the physical state of water at A 250 degree centigrade, B 100 degree centigrade? Solution. As the boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade, so A at 250 degree centigrade, the state of water will be steam or water vapor, that is gaseous state. B at 100 degree centigrade, there will be a transition of liquid state into the gaseous state. So at this temperature, the state is may be liquid as well as gases. Question 3. For any substance, why does the temperature remains constant during the change of state? Solutions. During the change of state of a substance, the temperature remains constant. This can be understood with the help of an example. When a solid is heated to its melting point, the temperature first rises and becomes constant when reaches its melting point. Now on further heating, the heat energy provided to the substance helps to break the attraction force between the solid molecules. This heat is called latent heat. That is why the temperature does not rise. Question 4. Suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gases. Solutions. By applying pressure and reducing the temperature, atmospheric gases can be liquefied. On page 10, question 1. Why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot, dry day? Solutions. A desert cooler functions on the basis of evaporation. The rate of evaporation increases with increase in temperature and decrease in humidity. As evaporation increases when the day is hot and dry, so the desert cooler function to a better extent. Question 2. How does the water kept in an earthen pot, matka, become cool during summer? Solution. Large number of tiny pores is present on the surface of the earthen pot, matka. The water stored in the earthen pot, matka, evaporates faster through these pores due to the increased exposed surface area. As the process of evaporation causes cooling, the stored water inside the earthen pot, matka, becomes cool. Question 3. Why does our palm feel cold when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? Solutions. Acetone, petrol, perfume, it's being volatile, evaporate very fast when exposed to larger surface. During the process, the absorb the required latent heat of vaporization from the palm. If kept on palm, so the process causes cooling and the palm feels cool. Question 4. Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from saucer rather than a cup? Solutions. A liquid has large surface area in a saucer than in cup. Thus it evaporates faster and cools faster in a saucer than in a cup. For this reason, we are able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup. Question 5. What type of clothes should we wear in summer? Solution. We should wear light colored cotton clothes in summer because 1. Cotton is a good absorber of water or sweat. It provides more surface area for the sweat to evaporate. Second, light colors absorb less heat. So, wearing light colored cotton clothes helps us feeling cool and comfortable. Exercise. Question first. Convert the following temperature to the Celsius scale. A. 293 Kelvin. B. 470 Kelvin. Solutions. In order to convert temperature from Kelvin to Celsius scale, we have to subtract 273 from the given values because K minus 273 equal to degree centigrade. A. 293 Kelvin minus 273 equals to 20 degrees centigrade. B. 470 Kelvin minus 273 equals to 197 degrees centigrade. Question 2. Convert the following temperature to the Kelvin scale. A. 25 degrees centigrade. B. 373 degrees centigrade. Solutions. To convert the temperature from Celsius to Kelvin scale and add 273 to the given values because degree centigrade plus 273 equals to Kelvin. A. 25 degrees centigrade plus 273 equals to 98 Kelvin. B. 373 degrees centigrade plus 273 equals to 646 Kelvin. Question 3. Give reasons for the following observations. A. Naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. Solutions. A. Naphthalene is a substance which directly changes from solid to gas on heating by the process of sublimation. So the naphthalene balls disappear with time as they sublime due to heat of surroundings. Question B. We can get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. Solution B. The smell aroma of perfume reaches several meters away due to the fast diffusion of the gaseous perfume particles through the air. Question 4. Arrange the following substance in increasing order of forces of attraction between the particles: water, sugar, oxygen. Solution. The forces of attraction are strongest in solid and weakest or negligible in case of gases. Sugar is a solid, water is in liquid form, and oxygen is a gas. So the order of forces of attraction is oxygen less than water less than sugar. Question 5. What is the physical state of water at A. 25 degree centigrade, B. 0 degree centigrade, C. 100 degree centigrade? Solution. At 0 degree centigrade temperature, water liquid gas starts to convert into its solid form, ice, and at 100 degree centigrade temperature, water liquid starts to change into water vapor. Between 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade, it remains in liquid state. Thus, A. Liquid state, B. Solid or and liquid state, transition state, C. Liquid or and gaseous state, transition state. Question 6. Give two reasons to justify. A. Water at room temperature is a liquid. B. An iron almirah is a solid at room temperature. Solutions. A. Water is a liquid at room temperature because it has a tendency to flow. It takes the shape of a container in which it is filled, but its volume remains the same. B. An iron almirah is a solid at room temperature because its shape and volume are definite. It is hard and rigid. Its density is high. Question 7. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? Solutions. Ice at 273 Kelvin has less energy than water. Although both are at the same temperature, water is having additional latent heat of fusion. Hence, at 273 Kelvin, ice is more effective cooling than water. Question 8. What produces more savors, burns, boiling water or steam? Solution. Steam causes more savors, burns than boiling water. The reason is that it releases the extra amount of heat, latent heat, which is it has already taken during evaporation. Question 9. Name A, B, C, D, E and F in the following diagram showing change in its state. Solutions. Point A. Melting or fusion, where solid changes into liquid. Point B. Evaporation or vaporization, where liquid changes into gas. Point C. Condensations or liquefaction, where gas changes into liquid. Point D. Freezing or Solidification, where liquid changes into solid. Point E, sublimation, where solid directly changes into gas without coming in liquid state. Point F, sublimation, where gas changes into solid without coming to liquid state. तो फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, ये था अपना सॉल्यूशंस क्लास 9th की NCERT की बुक के चैप्टर 1 का। आप इसे नोट कर सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू। इस चैनल को आप लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करते रहें फॉर मोर वीडियोस। थैंक यू डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स।